Good morning. We're out here in the garden this morning and we're just about to dig potatoes. It's a little bit early, but when they got healed, some of our potatoes are exposed and the plants are starting to die back anyway, so we're just going to go ahead and dig them. So I will take you along with me as we are in the garden today digging the potatoes. I'm going to try to do this first one one-handed. So I just start a little bit back, dig down, lift up, ooh, look, oh my goodness, this is so much fun. I love this so much. We'll just sit them out here in the row until the puppy dogs get up at least, because one of them I know for sure will carry off with the potatoes. Kind of let them dry with the sun a little bit, and then I've got a wagon over here we're going to stick them in. And there's that. That is not too bad for one potato plant. I am like super happy about that. They're a little small. Usually I let them get a little bigger, but those are some good eating potatoes right there. Got me a good little pile of reds going, and I've only done a section that long. So I'm gonna go over here to these golds, and we're gonna do this one-handed again. See what we got here. No, I got shadows, but I didn't want to face the sun. Ooh-wee! Look at that, it's a thing of beauty. Golds generally don't do as well here, but I do love them. I really like to mix them, the red and the gold, for potato salad, fried potatoes, pretty much everything. I just mix them up. You get a gold potato and a red potato in the same bite. Yummy to the tummy. So that's not too bad for one plant. I just want to say something about digging these potatoes by hand. You know, we have machinery, we have equipment that'll go down through here and dig these potatoes up, and it would be so much quicker of a process, and I'm just really not rushed for time. And there's just something therapeutic about getting your hands in the dirt, and most of the time your feet, but this morning I have boots on because it was really wet, and just getting down in the earth and digging potatoes or working in the garden, period. It's so therapeutic, and it's like an Easter egg hunt. When you get those potatoes, it's so exciting. So just know that there is a quicker, easier way to do this, but this is just the method I prefer because it brings me so much joy. So see here what I'm talking about, where we healed with the tractor, and then we got a hard rain and it exposed some of the potatoes, and so that's why I'm just going to go ahead and dig, because we've got quite a few that are exposed. So it is what it is, but we're looking good so far. Got all that, and we got all this to go. I'm about to take a water break, so I thought I'd show y'all what we've got so far. We'll walk straight down the aisle, try not to step on anything, and yes, I got barefooted. is looking good so far. I'm about halfway done with the rows, and this is what I've got so far. I can't remember if I planted 10 or 20 pounds each. I'll have to look back and see what I did, but I'm pretty impressed. We're finished digging potatoes, and I am super happy. This wagon is almost completely full. Look at that. Man, you can't beat that with a stick. That is amazing. There's where we dug from. I just dug the plants and laid them right on top of the row, and we'll just till all that back in. It'll be ready to roll for something else.